YouTube video. I'm in the car. I feel like I've been saying that a lot lately. I feel like, yeah, we're with Mary though. It's Mary driving, not Brody. And I think there's something in the back seat. What is that? Hi, Jessica. We got a backseat wiener, you guys. It's terrible. Terrible case of the backseat wieners. Anyway, we are on our way to the small town of Fergus, Ontario, and they are having what do they call it? A Fibre Arts Festival today. They're having a Fibre Arts Festival, so we're hoping there's going to be some cool clothing and maybe fabric, maybe yarn. I don't give a shit about yarn, but Mary does. So there might be some cool yarn for her there. Are you hoping for anything in particular, Jessica? Nope.
There's a cool witchy store there.
Oh, apparently there's a cool witchy store and a cool book. Is it a bookstore too?
Yeah, there's a bookstore.
Oh, and we may or may not have brought some wine with us to have a picnic. So we're on a Goth Girls outing and we're gonna see what the Fibre Arts Festival has to offer us. See you there. Here we are. We made it. There are many tents. Many tents. So yeah. There's also a place over there called So What, which I'm pretty excited about. I think that's friggin' fantastic. Okay, my friend Carrie's here. I'm gonna sneak up on her. Sneak it up. Hey! Hi, Carrie! Surprise! Yes, I was like, I'm gonna sneak, and Jessica's like, you're never gonna sneak up on her.
I can see your big hair in the corner of my eye.
Right? There's the local pieces gallery. This is where we're heading. There's a lot of cute dogs here. I'm really excited. What is this stuff? What is this stuff in the window? Who made this stuff? Who made this stuff? Look at all this awesomeness.
These pieces, this is Sarah.
I wanted to make pies right away.
Yeah. Sarah teaches watercolor. Lucy teaches
It's all Mary stuff.
and there's two new people coming in. One does bird paintings.
Okay.
Like, super cute. She's going to do a class on birds.
Tony.
Hello, everybody.
Look at his awesome beard. Look at this. What is this?
I don't shave every day.
No. But when you do, you mean it.
No, when I do, yeah.
Also-
you gotta put the time into it.
We're gonna show your boots, which I definitely am not thinking about stealing at all. What size feet are you again?
Yeah. Those are solid 12s, thank you very much.
Oh, men's 12?
Men's 12.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah.
They're women's 12. They would be off your feet already.
No. I can slide into an 11, but they really hurt after a while. Docs don't expand as same way as other shoes.
That is totally fair.
Anyways, yeah, this is it.
Check it out, right? Look,
It
this
looks
is
good.
This is your stuff here, right?
Yeah, that's mostly my stuff. There's some of my students' pieces in the other side, but
Oh, it's awesome. Tony is the gentleman that helped me make the blood ring for Brody's birthday, should you be interested. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. It's so beautiful. Look at them. They're so cute. They're so cute, aren't they? Look at how comfy these look. Hi!
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Amazing.
I'm glad to hear that. Your kilt is amazing.
Thank you.
So delightful.
I love the excuse to be able to wear a kilt.
Hell yeah, do you need an excuse?
Not really.
No. All the time.
I do it. I'd like to go in business meetings with my kilt.
You should. I recommend it.
Suit jacket. Look
Kilt,
amazing.
love it. Is that where you want to go, Mary? Over to the bookery? Let's go check it out. All right, witchy store, here we come. These are beautiful. All these like leather-bound books. scissors and thimble set. That's very fun. Except that I never use thimbles, so I just stab myself in the fingers instead. Like a labyrinth of books back here. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Just keeps going in here, eh?
Oh yeah.
It's like a maze of books. It's fantastic. From the street, I thought it was just a wee store, but I was wrong. Wow. Those are beautiful. And this is my very good friend, Scary Carrie, also known as Spinning Spider now.
Yep.
Spinning Spider. This is her cool, like, yarn and shit, which I know 0 things about. She says she's gonna teach me one of these days, eh?
Baby, teach
Eh?
you how to spin so you can weave a web.
That's awesome. So what are you doing? You're just selling, you custom dye this?
Custom dyed, produced everything.
So you make this out of like loose sheep wool?
Yep, sheep wool, different types of sheep.
Mhm.
Silk, you can get silk, you can get any kind of fiber you can make into anything.
That's awesome. This is, look at how
And
cool
I have
this shit
fibers
is.
for people that want to make their own yarn, or I have yarn for people that want to make shawls and socks.
That's cool. That's very cool. I like the buddy tablecloth. It's very cool. Look at how cute. Hi guys. Hi. Everybody's just chilling out. Mmm. SWAT sandwiches. So exciting. End of the video. We're packed up. Look at all this shit in the back of the car. Not you, Jessica. You're not shit. You're just in the back of the car with the shit. Are you the shit? She's too tired to even speak. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. So, our stuff, everyone loved it, which was great. We didn't sell very much because everyone said it was like too much. They were like, wow, that's so cool, but like, where would I wear that? What would I do with it? And I was like, everywhere, anything. Where's the fucking grocery store? We do, right? But I think it was just too much for a lot of people. So I think I sold like 3 things maybe, and I think Mary sold about 6 or 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 or 7, just little stuff. Nobody bought anything big, but like accessories, right? So, I don't know. I count that as a success. It was a lot of fun. Had a good day. Walked around, saw some cool art, petted some alpacas. A lot of cute dogs. Delicious food from a food truck. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us to this weird little fiber arts festival in a small town close to us. It was a lot of fun. And somebody recognized me. This random broad came up to me and was like, oh, I had to take a double take. Was it bad? Are you mad about Absinthe? And I was like, I am. And she was like, oh my God. It was fucking cute. It was cute. People almost never recognize me in public, so that was really exciting. So I hope you liked coming along with us. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing if you haven't already. If you want to follow any of us on social media, we're going to link it all down below for me, Mary, and Jessica. I think we have everything. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Depop, all the things. Yeah, we also have Ko-fi, kofi.com/madofabsinthe if you want to buy me a Ko-fi. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Please like, subscribe, follow us on social media. Buy me a Ko-fi if you want to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys all around for our next fabulous Goth Girls adventure. Where are we driving to next, Mary?
I don't know.
You're in charge.
Exciting.
Somewhere exciting. You heard it here first.